Hey, hello friends. In today's episode, let's see how ChatGPT is able to handle database related questions. Thank you for watching my videos. In the last two episodes, we went on a much more general topic like seeing how we can leverage ChatGPT to develop a resume. In next episode, like today, we will see how we can ask database related questions. So in a previous episodes, we have seen how to ask Java questions, convert the same program into Python. So we'll just ask some database questions and see how ChatGPT is reacting to the same questions. So my question is going to be, I want to create a table called product. I'll just give it very generic query. I just want to create a table called product and we'll see what ChatGPT returns. So my query was too general. So I said create a table and it wasn't able to figure it out. So it gave me the option to see, are you implying to create an SQL? Do you need an SQL query to create a table called product? And let's see what it's doing right now. So I fixed my response back and let's see what it responds right now. So as you can see, I have my response in front of my screen. So I did not specify what type of column should be, what the data type should be. And as you can see, it has assumed that when we create a table called product, there needs to be an ID, which it has assigned as a primary key, and there's a name, and then there's a price for a product, and then there is a quantity. So it has also set these three columns not to be null. There needs to be an entry, and there are more explanations on the above query over here, which is quite smart considering the fact that I did not give any input to ChatGPT. Let's now try to customize this and ask ChatGPT to create a table with the custom requirements from us. Query to create a table called product with the following columns. So you should also always try to press shift and enter. That's when it comes to the next line, and if you just press enter, it's just going to give ChatGPT the chat that you are typing in the box. So I want the column ID to be of the type int, and then product name, title, let's call it as title of string, and then let's give it a category string. Then let's also have price float, and let's have another column called availability, and let's assign boolean, and let's see what kind of response we are getting for ChatGPT for my above query. So it says here's an example of the table called product with the specified columns. So yeah, it was able to consume the requirements from my side and it's able to generate the SQL query for creating the table. Perfect. For the next query, let's see if ChatGPT is able to help us retrieving data from a database. So as you know, we always try to ask multiple queries, and let's see if ChatGPT is able to compute exactly our requirements and able to get a retrieve command. Hey ChatGPT, can you help generate an SQL query to retrieve the top 5 products from the product table. So basically what I'm asking is I want to know what are my top 5 products, and it's just giving me a command to order by the price and descending limit 5. So this is not what we want, what I had in mind. So I don't want my product to be ordered by price or ID. But let's say I want it to be the top 5 products. I want it to be based on the amount of quantities that is sold, based on the orders that each product get. So basically I'm trying to see if ChatGPT is able to use the join query. Let's see if it's able to understand my input and give me the proper query. Can you give me the query for top 5 products based on the orders? So in this scenario, it should basically assume there are 2 tables called products and orders, and then it should be able to group them, or in this case what it's assuming is it did not do it from a 2 table. Oh yes, oh here it is. The first query, it assumed the orders are stored in the same table, and in the second query, second example, as you can see, it is executing a join command, and on the product.id and is able to group by the product ID and order by the total orders. So there are 2 tables over here, and this is able to execute a join query successfully. So yeah, be wise with your query on how you want to interact with ChatGPT, and I think you can get an idea on how to get an SQL query. You don't have to be thinking on how to type a SQL query hereafter. Just explain your scenario carefully to ChatGPT or clearly, and you should be able to get a play with your inputs and get the query that you need. That's it for today's video, and have a good day. Bye.